In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the spam filter in Gmail, or more precisely how to manage it to ensure important emails don't get lost in your spam folder. Let's get started. Now, while you cannot completely disable Gmail's spam filter, there are ways to work around it to ensure you receive the emails you want. This could happen when messages end up in the spam folder instead of your inbox. Fortunately, Gmail allows some customization of its filtering settings. Our first step is to open your Gmail account. Simply head over to gmail.com and log in with your credentials if you're not logged in already. Once you're inside your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon which represents settings. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you need to select See All Settings. This option will take you into a more detailed settings menu. Now navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Clicking on this will present you with a list of email addresses you have blocked in the past. Underneath, you'll notice there's a message stating, the following email addresses are blocked. Messages from these addresses will appear in spam. Here you can review the listed email addresses. If you find an address that you no longer want to block, simply select it. After selecting, you'll notice an option labelled Unblock. Click this option to unblock the address, thereby preventing future emails from that sender from being automatically tagged as spam. Now, another option you have is to manually move emails from the spam folder back into your inbox. To do this, go to the spam folder on the left-hand side of your Gmail window. Browse through the messages, and if you spot an email you want to move, check the box next to it. Once the email is selected, look for the Not Spam button, typically near the top of your window, and click it. This action will immediately move the selected email back to your inbox, and Gmail will learn from this experience, gradually improving its filtering accuracy for future messages. Additionally, you can create a custom filter to better manage your emails. Back in the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, you'll see an option to create a new filter. Clicking this lets you specify criteria for emails you want to keep out of the spam folder. This can include filters by sender, specific words in the subject line, or other characteristics that match your needs. By following these steps, you can better control Gmail's spam filtering and ensure your important emails make it to your inbox. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.